In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite on PlayStation 4 with two controllers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up split screen in Fortnite. You will be able to do this in most game modes, including the standard Battle Royale. This is going to allow you to play with two different controllers on the same screen, so you and a friend can play locally together. If you have an additional DualShock 4, keep in mind that this process is also going to be exactly the same for PlayStation 5 or even Xbox consoles, so if you want to follow the same steps there, it should work flawlessly. So to start, of course, set up your secondary controller. You can connect an additional controller to your PlayStation 4 using a cable, so this would be a wired connection, usually through USB, or alternatively, if you prefer, just connect it wirelessly. To establish a wireless connection, just press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a couple of seconds. Once a connection is established, usually you will see this pop up. This is very important. You have to assign an account to the additional controller. So usually your main account won't be listed here because it is already being used, so all that you have to do is create a new one. I recommend creating a new PlayStation Network account for this additional controller if you can. However, if you prefer, you can optionally just set it up as a guest. As long as you choose either a guest account or a full PSN account for this additional controller, it should work. So once this is done, you are basically good to go. When you go back inside of Fortnite and you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see this message here. Log in by holding this button. So just press and hold your respective button. Usually there will be triangle, and immediately upon doing this, split screen will load. You will be able to see them inside of the lobby alongside you, and then you can queue into any mode, including of course the standard Battle Royale. Keep in mind that LEGO Fortnite does not have split screen, so to my knowledge, LEGO still doesn't offer this option, but for the standard Battle Royale mode and any other standard modes, you will be able to play with two players sharing the same screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Fortnite PlayStation 4 with two controllers. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.